When it comes to harvesting either bush beans or pole beans, there's a couple of techniques which will help your harvesting go better and help the health of the plant continue to produce. Number one, repetitive harvesting. We don't want to let the plants leave their fruit or beans on the vine for an excessive amount of time because it will focus energy on that particular item and not produce more flowers for more beans. Secondly, as you are looking for things to harvest, we want to, you can either take snips or scissors, but you want to get in here and hold the base of the plant or the limb and then pop the bean off as you're harvesting. If you just yank, this will occur. You'll leave part of the bean on the plant, and you'll also rip off potential flowers that are developing. Another, you just pull and pop, and you just go through all of your plants, pull, pop, and that's how it is the easiest to harvest beans. Now obviously you can take scissors or snips or a knife and pop them off that way, but this is the best way that we have found. The most effective way is just grab, twist, pull, and pop your bean off the vine.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.